Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to request a payment in Payoneer. So first you just have to go to any web browser and log into your Payoneer account. So to start, what you want to do is to scroll down and look for Get Paid option. So once you tap this Get Paid option, you will see here features and options such as request a payment and so on. But what you want to do is to click this payment request sent. So tap this one here and it will take you directly to another page or site. And then here, what you want to do is to simply click this request a payment. So request a payment for services you have provided. So tap this one here. And under request a payment, they will ask you how do you collect payments from clients. So everything is up to you by billing them directly or via marketplace platform. So let me select the second one here and then click tell me more. So here you will be directed to this page where they will tell you how it works and you will get more information. And then what you want to do is just simply click this get my receiving account details. So once you tap this one, it will take you directly to this page or site, and here you will know that you need to open up an account details in order for you to get this. So by that, you have to go to get paid, request a new receiving account, and submit the documents that are listed down below. So once you have submitted that one, that would be under review. And then if everything is okay, and they have accepted your request, and you will have your account details, and that's it. You can now have your transaction using your Payoneer. So the first thing is set up your account details to start any transaction here in Payoneer. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.